Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can add photos in Facebook. It's a simple process, so let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, tap on what's on your mind section. Now go to photo or video. After that, select the photo that you want to upload. You can either select a single picture or multiple pictures. After you complete selecting the pictures, tap on next. As you can see, the selected pictures have been uploaded in the draft. You can also choose a layout from these options. After you are satisfied with the layout options, you can also use other features such as you can tag other people, you can update your status indicating how you are feeling, you can add location and other things. After we have done all the updates and changes, tap on post on the top right side of the screen in order to post these photos. This completes the process, and after this you can find the selected photos uploaded in your Facebook profile. So in this way you can upload photos in Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.